There's a dish that remembers, a recipe that holds the soul of a kitchen in a single savory sigh. It is the clatter of a pot, the cloud of garlic on the air, the patient simmer of vinegar and thyme. I have made it for years, and yet I never truly knew it until I met the duck, until I let its rich, dark heart beat in time with the old, familiar song. This is an adobo reborn. So come, gather. We are not just cooking. We are weaving a spell of crisp skin and tender flesh. You will need your humble priests, onion and garlic, your sacred liquids, stock, vinegar, soy, a whisper of fire in the chili, the quiet wisdom of bay leaves, and the star, the noble duck, its legs and thighs, a promise of profound and golden reward. We begin with transformation. Salt and pepper the skin, a blessing for the fire. Lay the pieces down in the hot pan and listen. That sizzle is the first verse of the poem. Let it sing until the skin is a landscape of amber and brown, and the pan holds a pool of liquid gold, the very essence of flavor. In that fat, we soften the onion to sweetness. We wake the garlic until its perfume fills the room like a memory. Then the pour, the dark soy, the bright vinegar, the rich stock, the clash, then the harmony, the beginning of the alchemy. Now, the gentle magic, the cartouche, a simple parchment crown placed tenderly upon the surface. It is a breath held, a lid within a lid. It keeps the steam close, a private cloud where flavor melds and meat grows impossibly tender. Cover the pot, lower the flame, and walk away. For 2 hours, let the pot whisper its secrets to itself. Let the duck forget it was ever firm, and learn instead the soft art of falling apart. Return, lift the lid. The scent that rises is a story, deep, complex, and complete. Remove the duck, now shy and yielding. Now turn the heat high. Watch the thin broth gather its courage. Watch it reduce, tighten, and shine into a glaze as dark and glossy as a moonlit pond. This is the climax, the reduction of 100 flavors into one perfect coating kiss. And then you taste. The fork meets no resistance. It is meat and memory in one bite. The duck, oh, the duck. It is profound. It is luxurious. It carries the earthy richness of the bird, swimming in that bright, salty, tangy sauce. It is not just food. It is an experience, a poem you can eat. Serve it on a plain white plate with plain white rice and feel the extraordinary rise from the simple. If you are ready to cook a poem, to taste a story, this duck adobo is your first line. Write it in your own kitchen. Let me know what verse you would add in the comments below. If this moved you, please give it a like. Subscribe for more recipes that feed not just the body, but the soul. Until next time, cook with heart.